Hey guys, today I'm going to do a review on the Matchbox truck camper. I've had this car for like 25 years now, and a lot of people think this model is rare. It is not. At least not generally from what I've seen. It's not that hard to find. And I think it's because it's a camper. And it says truck camper on the bottom. The door doesn't stay shut anymore. I think it's just due to age. But yeah, overall smells nice. It's in great shape. Does have like a little rub right there. Probably just a little cleaning will take care of that. Nothing major is really going on with this model though. Take a closer look, it has the United States on it. And it says 34 states and still going, which may mean that this was released during a time perhaps when there were only 34 states in the nation, or 34 states had campers. It's unknown. It has like waves on the front here. (2169 BJ). Alright, that's my review on the truck camper, guys.